Hello everyone, my name is Kusum Tripathi and today I am again with you the same topic article. In the previous video I have marked you how article a and the work as weaker adjectives. A and n. Its understood number is 1 and 1 is the numeral adjective. Same with the that works as the is functioning as that, and that is the demonstrative adjective. Now let's start our topic article. There are two types of article: definite article, indefinite article. Definite article the and indefinite article a or n. Before coming to the established rules, we should know some very important basic rules of the articles. The can be used before singular or plural noun as well, but a or n can be used before singular and countable noun. Articles are basically based on the sound. There are some confusion regarding the pronunciation of the, whether we should say the or the. So let's understand this first. If the noun which is sounding as vowels, we should use the, and if the noun is sounding as consonant, we should use the. Same with a or n. The noun which is sounding as vowel means a, e, I, o, u. Exactly. That is not the u. U is not the vowel sound. If you know the phonetic, u is generating the symbol YUU, and why you know it very well. YUU is not the vowel sound. This is the reason we use a university, a union, a UFO, a unique piece, a universal fact, etc. Now we see a. We use a when a singular countable noun is sounding as consonant. Sometimes what happen? Generally what happen? The words which start with consonant takes n, and the words which do not start with vowels take n. So we have to see why it is happening, why it is going on. The word which start with the F, H, L, M, N, S, R, X. For example, an honest man, honorary, SMS, MNC, LLB, etc. These words are starting with consonant, but it is taking before it N. Why it is going on? Due to the vowel sound. Means the articles are basically based on the sound. If the word is pronouncing, sounding as vowel and it is singular number, take n, and if it is not sounding as vowel, it is sounding as consonant, take n. Hopefully it is clear to you. Thank you so much.